welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about how to convert a Figma design to app. This is in continuation to my previous video. In my previous video we discussed about how to convert a normal sample image to app. So today I'm going to explain about Figma to app. Let's go and see what is Figma and how to create a design in Figma and how to convert that to an app. Okay, in the browser you can type figma.com. Okay, so once Figma site is open, so right now I just logged in into this site because I created an account. So you also can create an account using your Gmail ID or Yahoo ID, whatever you have it. And currently initially when we subscribe we will be running on a free license. So right now you're seeing an option to upgrade it. Actually I don't want to upgrade it because there are other features which we don't use frequently. And coming to the use of Figma is basically used by the business analysts. So they will use this site to create the wireframes and mockups, which they're trying to share it to the development team for further development. So the outcome of this Figma is like this kind of flowchart. It can be presentations or it can be any mobile screen wireframes and all. Okay. So there is a powerapps toolkit available in Figma, so which explains the details about how exactly you have to design the screens in Figma so that they are compatible for the conversion using the Figma to app option in powerapps.com. Okay, so for that what we have to check is type Microsoft powerapps, and here you can see these files. You just leave it, these it will try to search in my files also. Basically I have this kind of files earlier, so that's why it is trying to search here. If you go down here you can see in the community there is a Microsoft Power Apps kit with this around 7,905 duplications. Click that. Okay, so this is the toolkit which explains about the process of how to create a app in create a design in Figma so that it can be easily converted. Okay, so if you see here there are different instructions. Getting started, how to design your app. So if you see getting started, it will explain you about what are the options you have to click and drag and drop everything. Okay, and even they gave a sample app as well. Here you can see a sample app. So this app is nothing but if you directly use this app for conversion, it will convert automatically the same screens into canvas app. Okay, so what I will show is how to use this app. For example, as a scenario, I will use this sample app and I will try to convert to a canvas app. Okay, if you follows these instructions, you will get to know how exactly you can use Figma to create your own app. So before starting, for any like creation in Figma, first we have to get a copy, because the default one that is available after searching, it's a read only thing, you can't edit it. Okay, now I want to edit it, that's why I'm clicking create a copy. It's loading. So now you will get the same instructions, everything here. Okay, and if you scroll down you have this app. Okay, so now what I want to do is I will create my own app here. I will change the text. I will try to use the same thing in my conversion. Okay, so I'm just right clicking the sample app. Here there is an option of duplicate page. I'm duplicating it, double click it and change the name to test Figma. Okay, now you are in the new page. So as it is a duplicate, it copied the same screens for you. So these are nothing but the different screens for your canvas app, and the screens names are start, startup and thank you. Now I will just change the text so that you'll know how to. So yeah, this kind of pop-up will come because the Figma works by checking the fonts in your environment, in your browser basically. So these fonts are missing in my browser, so it is telling please select a different type of font. For example, I select for now I select Eclonia. Everything else select as Eclonica, 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 Eclonica. I'm clicking replace fonts. Okay, so now I can see the font is changed to Electronica. I will change the text by double clicking and just typing home page. Okay, and just to see our changes are reflecting, I'm changing it to event, and this thank you, I'll change this thanks. Okay, so click Control S, so it will be saved now. So now your test Figma page looks like this, sample app is looking like this, and your test Figma is looking like this. Okay, now I'm going to convert these three screens into canvas apps automatically. I won't design anything the same fashion in canvas app, but you will see that all the screens will be automatically converted into canvas apps with three different screens. So for that, what I need to do is right click on the Figma test Figma page that you created, click the copy link to page, and now go to the Power Apps homepage, make.powerapps.com. Yeah. Now, as I told you earlier, there is an option here for Figma to app conversion. I'm clicking that. Give a name, Figma sample. Now it's asking for the link to Figma page. Now whatever link I copied from here, by right clicking this, I'll paste it here. Okay, now it's asking for an access token. So this access token is nothing but your conversion engine connects to Figma, pull that screens and convert it for you. So for that, there should be kind of trust should be established between your make.powerapps.com environment and Figma. So for that, what you need to do is go to Figma, click the top left icon, this Figma icon, and if you go down, there is a help and account section. In the help and account, scroll down and go to account settings. Okay, this kind of screen will be displayed. Scroll down, here there is an option called personal access token. So we can create what many, like maybe I'm not sure what is the limit. There might be limit of 5 personal access tokens. So the process of creation, I already created few earlier, so that's why it is showing this. So even you can revoke the access for them. I will revoke the access, revoke. Now if I want to create a new token, I need to type test 234, any name. I'm just giving test 234, click enter. If you click enter, see it got created and it will give an option to copy the token. This is the token actually, the yellow colored this text, and if you click copy token, you will get it copied. Go back to Power Apps and paste it here. Okay, and whatever design I made here, they look like they are for phone screen, so I will select phone, click create. Okay, let's see the magic now. Bear with me, it might take some time. It depends on the, not sure, maybe the server speed and all. Okay, I think it is done. Okay, see, now you can see the first screen came up, start screen. The second screen also came up, event. You can see my changes there, event. You can see here I converted the home text to home page, that is also there. There is a third screen, thank you screen, so that also came up as thanks, with the thanks text which I just modified earlier. Okay, I can even run it. Sorry, I think I should be in the home screen to run it. Okay, so yeah, it copied all the screens. Now you can play around with it by adding your functionality, like what screen should be displayed first, how to navigate from one screen to another screen. Everything you can modify by using your own canvas app skill set. Okay, so that is what I want to show. So this is how it is useful. So I know I'm showing a sample Figma thing, so there can be a scenario where a complex UI or screens are created using Figma, and with this kind of approach you can convert any screen to canvas app. Okay, so this will be my like last session in express design. I'll be coming up with many more interesting videos on power apps or Azure or SharePoint. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share as well if you like the content. Thanks for your time. Thank you.